Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check battery capacity on Apple Watch. So if you want to check your Apple Watch battery capacity to see whether it is still 100% or not, or to know how long the battery can last, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to check battery capacity on your Apple Watch, all you need to do is just press the YouTube crown once to exit the watch face. Go ahead and click on the settings gear icon on the app menu. Now on the settings page, scroll down gently until you get to battery. So just keep scrolling down until you get to battery. Once you get to battery, go ahead and click on it. And then it should say your battery percentage. Now to check the battery capacity, all you need to do is scroll down, click on battery health, and then scroll down. It should say the maximum capacity. Here I have my Apple Watch maximum battery capacity to be 100%. So whatever you have here is the battery health maximum capacity. If you have 80%, that shows the battery capacity for your Apple Watch is 80%. If you have 60, that shows the 60%. And of course, you can turn on optimized charge limit. So Apple Watch can learn from your daily usage and determine when to charge to an optimized limit and when to allow for fully charged. And then that is going to help you to save and protect your Apple Watch battery. So that is basically all you need to do when you want to check battery capacity of an Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.